Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Hazard Briefing for Wednesday, February 2nd. Happy Groundhog Day. This will be a short briefing here, and here's what you'll see in it. We have high pressure to the west. This will keep airflow coming from the north. This means continued colder than normal temperatures. This also means that the storm track is coming from interior Canada, so that means there's very little available moisture for any storms that come through, and you'll see we have a couple that are pretty weak and have very little moisture. Actually the main thing you'll see during the next 5 days is freezing fog and valley stratus. There is a weak low expected to move through late tonight into Thursday morning, a second one on Friday afternoon and through Friday night into Saturday morning. So this will mostly bring light snow, and it has to take it to places where there's an uplift to get some precipitation. So that would be the Central Idaho Mountains and the Eastern Highlands would be the primary focus. And also during all this time, even with these weak lows going through, there's no significant wind. So here's a satellite image from this morning where you see the light blue cloudiness. That is stratus and fog. And so you can see that it's widespread all the way from Island Park and Oneida Pass all the way down through the Snake River Plain and even into some portions of the eastern and southeast highlands. And so here's what we're looking at. So there's some light snow this morning just wrapping up in the Snake River Plain, especially in the north end, the southeast highlands, the eastern highlands. And that should be over by 11 a.m. And I wouldn't look for more than a quarter to a half an inch of additional accumulation out of any of this. And then the snow will start over again tonight in the Sawtooth area in Lemhi County. That will spread Thursday morning into the South Hills, the Eastern Highlands, and continue in the Sawtooth and Lemhi County areas. And then there'll be a break, and snow will start again on Friday afternoon. You can see it's just a slight chance for the Southeast Highlands and the Sawtooth area in Lemhi County. And the only place that really has a chance of anything is the Eastern Highlands. Again, it starts in the afternoon, and that continues all day in the Eastern Highlands, whereas Saturday morning it wraps up in the Southeast Highlands. And for the Sawtooth, Lemhi County, it's over during the overnight hours on Friday night. So there's not a lot going on here. Snowfall accumulations during this time, you're looking at less than 2 inches, even in the higher elevations. So there's not a whole lot going on. And there's not much to show you in terms of snowfall amounts. So we'll just look through the surface weather depiction we have here. Nothing really going on today. And this is the high temperatures. Okay, this is not a mistake. We're looking for a high in Pocatello of just 16. For later on this afternoon, highs in the Eastern Magic Valley will cross the 20-degree threshold, but not in very many other locations. The overnight lows, look at that, 10 to 15 below zero over portions of the Arco Desert. You can see -2 in Idaho Falls, +2 in Rexburg, 7 below zero in Stanley. All right, and then the snow does come through during the late night and morning hours. You can see where it's limited, just this spotty stuff. And again, mostly you can see it's in mountain areas. The highs get a little bit warmer because as the low goes through, it does give us some brief south wind at the lower elevations, and so that kind of cuts off the cold air supply. But it's only about a 2 to 5 degree rise. You see it's still fairly cool over the Arco Desert region. Overnight lows, not as cold as Wednesday night, these Thursday night lows, but still a lot of single digits and below zero temperatures in places like Arco and Stanley. And here's where it is on Friday. The focus, again, the northern end of the Central Idaho Mountains and the northeast corner of the eastern highlands. You can see it gets, again, a little bit warmer, but not by much. You can see the sunshine actually gets Stanley to above freezing. And then here, Friday night's low, Saturday morning low, you can see not much in the way of 0-degree temperatures. That's because of the cloud cover. And so it's a little bit warmer, so it gives us a little bit warmer start to the day. So, again, not much going on. So if you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number here, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.